Alright, we have our first system in the Gulf. I won't call it the Gulf of Mexico, and I won't call it the Gulf of America. We'll just call it the Gulf, because we don't want to offend anybody. So in the Gulf, we have this system right now, which is off the coast of Mexico, and it's only got a 10% chance of formation in the next 2 days, and 20% chance of formation in the next 7 days. Where it goes from there, I have no idea. It could just go into Mexico, or it could just spin around and come towards New Orleans or Florida or Cuba. We don't know. So, but there is something in the Gulf of Mexico. Sorry, Gulf. Call it the Gulf. So there's something in the Gulf, and like I say, it's only got a 20% chance of formation in the next 7 days. So we'll keep an eye on this one and see if it turns into anything more. And in the next few days, we should know which direction it's going to go in, if anywhere. All right, so that's where we've got our first system in the Gulf, which is quite unheard of, really, because normally this time of year they start in the Atlantic, and they don't start in the Gulf until around about August, September. So it's a bit odd, isn't it? But there we have it. All right. So my name's Paul. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.